Hello there, lovely friends. Hope you all are fit and fine. I'm also doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty Creator. So, dear lovely friends, today I wanna say something about our local area and my village. So, let's get start my topic. So, first of all, thank you so much. So, actually, I am not good speaker, but I am trying to say something. So actually, our village is a local area and store area level. Our village. So our village situated at um, Bilasipara under Bilasipara subdivision, and our village name Suapata Part 3. And our village around side very beautiful environment, because our village behind one hill, and another side east side one hill, and south side and north side one hill, and east side one hill. So our village in front and south side one Brahmaputra river, and west side one Gorang river. So that's all. uh, Overall our village environment is very beautiful scenery and very beautiful environment. So our village uh, village middle point one Airtel and Jio telecom network, and our village behind side another village middle point one hospital, and is our village east side, and uh, corner middle point corner one school, and near one small market. So that's our village overall very beautiful scenery, and our village maximum people crop cultivation, this is the this is the winter season is crop, and many type of crop cultivate like mustard, potato, cucumber, and many type of cultivate our village. So I think village life and city life big so so very uh, difficult. So I think village life is very happy, and village life and city life so many different. Like village life uh, so many environment very beautiful, like city life also beautiful. City life is very essential, so because city is education level, and college, hospital, so very beautiful facility. So our and village area, so uh, farmer so village life always, I think, always good. And because I live at a village, so I think village life is a beautiful. So that's all about. Thank you.